Hi guys, Born Again here at Form Figures It Out. I do lots of things on this channel, most of them not very well. And if that sounds like your kind of thing, please do subscribe, like, ring the notification bell. Anyway, welcome back to anyone that has watched me before and is watching me, and I'm just so, yeah. Today, I have a new box and it's called the lemonade box. This time I've had the common sense to cut the tape. Inside it says, "Psst, you, yeah, the one with the beautiful smile. If you were looking for a sign to let you know that it's okay to slow down and take a break from your busy life, to simply be happy and at peace, then this is it. We sincerely hope the products in the lemonade box encourage you to practice self-care, to be thoughtful of yourself, no, mindful of yourself, I beg your pardon, and others, and to be positive, as difficult as that may be at times." Monthly mission. Little piece of paper, and it says, "Writing has a number of scientifically proven benefits, many revolving around mental health. It sparks creativity, frees your mind, and declutters your thoughts." I won't read the whole thing, but it says your mission this month then is to write something down at least once every 2 days. What you write is entirely up to you. Good luck, gorgeous. As always, we're rooting for you. I mean, there's a lot more on there, but I'm not going to bore you by reading the whole thing. But that's a nice idea. So the mission this month is writing things down. And then we get a leaflet. I mean, this is all new to me as much as to you, so I hope this is okay. It's suddenly gone really dark. I'm wondering whether you're even going to be able to see me properly, but anyway. Lemonade box, August edition. Oh, and it lists what's in it, so that's really handy. So let's see, what's the first thing on the list? A 24 carat gold face mask by Face. I wonder if this is it. Quite a big box. I was expecting a little packet. Am I right? Yes. Luxury Lift and Glow. A proper box. This mask is going to change your life. It's 100% natural and infused with real gold, which stimulates the production of natural collagen levels. Do you know, it's really witty? It's really witty what they've written down on here. You know, each little description. It's not just, you know, this is what it does and this is why. They've put all sorts of, it's really quite funny. It says, oh, and did we mention it comes with a sleek applicator brush to ensure even coverage? Damn, we're good. You certainly wouldn't want to come face to face with us. And of course it is my face. I'm liking this box already, and this is the first product in. But I do like the whole concept. I think women, we're really bad at not taking care of ourselves. You know, the kids come first, our husbands come first, the animals come first. All manner of things come before us. So a box that says, stop, think, you know, you are worth something. That's really nice. Oh yes, there is a little applicator, one of those funny silicone applicator things. And there's the actual product, which is bright yellow, which is unsurprising for gold. Let's lift that. Oh, it smells like, can you see? It really does look like liquid gold. I'm definitely going to give that a whirl and have a lie down somewhere while it's working on me, and hopefully I will get up looking amazing. And if I don't, I still will have enjoyed a little relax, won't I? Do it. So that. Next up is a squalene facial oil by Q&A. So this is it. Q&A squalene facial oil. Is that going into focus? I hope so. Now, I've heard of squalene because it's supposed to be so good for us. And I've had products with squalene in them before. Never had the actual oil. So it says a naturally occurring hydrocarbon derived from olive oil. I didn't know it came from olive oil. See, slap things on because you're told they're good. You don't even know where they come from. Or certainly I don't. It helps protect the skin against moisture loss whilst helping to improve skin texture. I'm happy to have that. And that has a £10 value. Did I tell you the value of the gold mask? I don't know if I did, but the value of the gold mask was £24.95, and this is £10. Now, I've never heard of the brand Q&A, but I'm happy to have it. Squalene facial oil. It's one of these with cute little pipette, very sort of medical looking. Just a touch on my hand, see what it's like. No smell, of course. Ooh, ooh, that's nice. That rubbed right in. I could totally use that on my crepey arms, never mind my face. Yeah, it's 100% natural and is designed to intensively moisturise your skin, improving its suppleness. It's alcohol and fragrance free, suitable for vegans, and leaves your skin feeling velvety soft. You can use it as a moisturiser, a treatment product, or a protective hair serum. A triple threat. I really like it. Happy with that. Next up is, it's called This Way for your delicate body, and it's an SPF 25, so it's a beauty body sun cream, and again it's a natural one. It contains aloe vera gel, excellent for moisturising the skin as well as treating acne, irritation and eczema. Avocado oil, rich in magnesium, potassium and antioxidants, and finally sweet almond oil, great for improving skin elasticity and appearance. Love the sound of that. Oh, it's got one of those foil things, right? You can smell the sweet almond. Oh, you can smell a few things in there. What did I just say was in there? Oh, have I got it on the end of my nose? Yeah, mint. It smells of mint. That's really nice. And rubs right in. No cast, no nothing. Rubs right in. Happy for that. And that was worth £18.40p. Bert, what are you doing? Sorry, Bert's with me. Bert, what are you doing? What are you doing? He chews all the bits of paper, anything that falls by the wayside. He's in, he's on it, he's chewing. Next up is a lip saviour by BAO Skincare. Yeah, BAO, which stands for, hang on, get the glasses on because I can't read that. Oh, it doesn't say, it just says making skin happy, lip saviour. It's 100% organic, small business owned. Oh, it smells of, oh, I don't know what you'd call that. No, I cannot think what that is. It's quite thick, you know, you've got to rub your finger into it. It's not offensive, not the nicest smell in the world though. This has got a £12 value. I'm not sure that I would like that on my lips. I mean, it may work very well, but the smell is a bit odd. Gonna try it though, because I could be completely wrong. Have been before, so many times. And then the last two items in here are, whoops, both out without throwing them on the floor. Bam Beautiful Thickening Shampoo and Bam Beautiful Thickening Conditioner. Now I've heard some buzz about these. So what does it say? It says they're £3.99 each in value. We love a good duo, like salt and pepper, beans and toast, shampoo and conditioner, you and I. Together forever, okay anyway. Well, it's really witty. They both create stronger and healthier hair and intensely moisturise. Even if you don't have particularly thin hair, they're great cleansers and provide you with well-nourished hair to be proud of. They're rich in protein, starch and fibres, giving your hair all the love it could ever possibly need. Well, there you go. I am impressed. I am really impressed with this box. So I'll just run through what I had. So we started with a 24 karat gold mask, face mask. Then we had the squalene, I hope I'm saying that right, squalene oil, facial oil, but I have a feeling I'm going to use that on my arms. A sun protection, a body sun protection, and look, these all seem to be sort of organic and healthy. A lip saviour, which the jury is out for me on that one because of the smell. And then the shampoo and conditioner. So you could totally have a nourishing evening, couldn't you? I mean, you know, you hop in the shower, you use your new things, you do yourself a bit of a face mask, you rub some oils into your body, you save your lips with a bit of lip balm, and then, you know, next morning slap on a bit of sun cream. I think that is a great box and I'm really impressed, as well as the witty comments on here and the mission statement for the month. Love that, somebody prompting you to have a little think. Anyway, that was it for lemonade. I don't know how long I've signed up for, but I'm looking forward to the next box already because that was really, really nice. It all fits into this funky, cute little box. While we're here, I thought I'd go straight into my anonymous jewellery. subscription that came this month from Lithuania in a little pack. Now it has been opened slightly because it was put into my mailbox wet, and I was worried in case there was anything in there to be ruined, but it hasn't been ruined, and it's all in a little pouch. I'm not sure about this subscription, I have to say, but again, this is only my second one, so I'm you know, I shouldn't judge too quickly. But it's come in a pretty little bag. As you can see, I have not undone that because I couldn't make a bow look as pretty as that. So let's have a look, let's see what's in it. Last time I couldn't get the necklace on, do you remember? I have managed since, but I was pulling my hair out last, so I was like, oh no. So here we go. Once again, they're in little plastic things. And oh, it looks like it might be all necklaces this time, so let's do them one at a time. So it's like an intelligence test and I'm failing. Here we go, here we go, here we go. I've got one open. Right, so oh, I don't know if that's a necklace or a bracelet because that's incredibly diddy, but it has got a very long extension, so possibly it's a necklace. Very pretty. Can you see? Very, very pretty. I wonder, I should really put it against something dark, maybe for, oh, against my jumper, the top. Very pretty. Let's have a whirl. Let's see if this time I can do it up. My daughter was in hysterics when I told her that I was doing it and I couldn't do it up, and I got really flustered. So, oh, okay, that one was easy. So it's sort of a choker style, very high. Oh, I like that. I think that's pretty. Okay, and next up we have, here we go again, trying to open one of these little, it's a good job I haven't got long nails at the moment because I'm struggling with the really short ones. So it maybe Love's Labour's lost actually. Okay, this is, oh, again, another necklace. It's a little, tiny little heart with a little cubic zirconia, I would imagine, in there. Again, really small, and they're challenging me because once again I've got to have a go at doing it up. So let's just see if I can do this one. I don't know if that caught actually, so it could ping off. Okay. They look pretty together. They're about the same length, which is a bit disappointing. It'd be nice to be able to layer them, you know, have them at staggered heights, but can you see the, okay. And last but not least, please be something other than another necklace, but let's have a look. I like them both so far. So let's just, do you know, just to look more professional, I think I might have to start cutting these open, but I bought a cheap pair of earrings from H&M, and I was having problems getting them out of the packaging, and I used my scissors and I cut the jewellery in half. So I'm wary. Oh, they're earrings. Oh, and they're very pretty. Okay. These are nice. Can you see? Little drops, again with little crystals in them. Two. There's the other one. They're very pretty. I'm liking those. I've got my studs in, but I do have a second hole in my ear if I can find it. I'll just put one in. Oh, look. Oh, that works really well actually with my studs. I quite like that. That's a sort of a slightly more subtle way of wearing. I'll never get it in this one because this hole in my ear is a poo. Anybody else like that? Have one ear that, you know, is so easy to do and another ear that's just hopeless? Can I do it? I don't know whether jewellery on my channel is a good idea because I am not a natural. It's in! Oh, now I think they're really pretty. They are really, really pretty. So that's what I got in my anonymous jewellery. So a little dainty, dainty little silver, yeah, gold heart. And this one, I prefer this one, I must say. I think that this one's slightly more sparkly. but I'm not unhappy with any of them. So considering I was very dubious when the envelope came and there was just this little part, I was thinking, oh dear, am I making a mistake even getting this one? But I like these. So there we have it. Anonymous jewellery and lemonade. A good day in this house. Okay guys, I hope you're having a good day wherever you are. I hope you're not as hot as I am. I know, I don't stop talking about it, but it is killing me. But I'm off. Me and Bert are going to go for a nice long walk. He's actually gone to sleep beautifully down here. I wish you could see him. He looks like just a little angel, sleeping there all brown and fuzzy. And I know that the minute I move, he'll be up and leaping all over the place. So anyway, have a really good day. Thank you for being here. Thank you for stopping by. Love you. Bye guys.